Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to walk through how to allow an app access to your photos on your iPhone.
It's super simple.
First, you'll want to open up your Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, and tap on it. Now, scroll down again until you see Photos and tap that. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps that might want access to your photo library. Find the app you want to grant access to. You'll then be given a choice of access levels. For this example, we're going to choose Full Access. Tap on that. You'll get a little prompt asking if you're sure you want to allow full access. Just tap Allow Full Access. And that's it. Now that app has full access to your photo library. The next time you use the app, it'll be able to access your photos just like normal. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. This is based on my personal experience, and you can find related links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips.